It's me, Dee, and welcome to Lunar Blessings. Today I am just really excited. I'm just in a good mood. It's like I had just like a magical weekend with my wife. You know, it's her birthday was on Sunday, and it was just it was just such a wonderful weekend, celebrating with family and just yeah. Anyway, today we're going to be reviewing Spiritual Goodies, the January box. It's kind of lightweight. So I'm really curious to see what's inside it. I don't know the theme yet. I've tried to stay like spoiler free because, you know, sounds like, you know, I like to be surprised when I open these things. So I'd just like to remind everybody that I do have a giveaway going on. It's going to be going on through the week to January 25th. I'll be giving away a Tamed Wild, December's resetting, setting your intentions for the year. It takes you through the whole month. I mean, the whole year, every month. And all you have to do is, I want you to comment down below. Please use a black heart so that I see that you want to get this box. I'm sorry, it is not available to international subscribers. I am trying to keep, you know, legally there's things that can't do. And so I'm sorry, but you can find all the details down below. I have a link down below that will tell you all the instructions and information you would need to know about this giveaway. But I wanted to let you know, and I will be announcing it on Instagram. I do ask that you please, if you have an Instagram or Twitter, please give me your handle down below in the comments with the black heart so that I can contact you directly, verify you're winning, and yeah. That's it. That's all you have to do. I just want to thank my subscribers for being here and being part of this channel. I really love you guys, and I have a lot of exciting things happening this year. So all right, now here it is, Spiritual Goodies. Opening up, this is a wonderful box. Neatly packed. You get, there's always a little card that does talk about, I harness the powers of crystals for healing, divination, and transformation. So it looks like our theme is going to be crystals. And here's the whole booklet. It also has the same quote, which got in this handy little card. Now let's see here. And in here tells you about what's in there. It gives you ritual ideas. It spotlights a spiritual teacher, and there's all sorts of things of how to use crystals and what to do with them. So this has got some good information. The first thing I pull out here, Rocks with Sass. I'm wondering if this has cards telling you about what rocks, you know, which crystals do which. Let me pull this out. Let me open this up before reading the description, because why not? Okay, this is nice. I just wish you would actually have pictures of the rocks because of the crystals. It just kind of help, but it's cute. There's a crystal, and then it tells you about it. Rainbow Moonstone helps us with new energy, going in new directions, and providing protection as we travel a new path. So it gives you descriptions of what the crystals do. It's really cute. This is candy. This is nice. Like I said, I do wish they actually pictured the crystals on the card so you can go, oh yeah, that's what I have. Just a thought. But still, very thoughtful, very nice. I do like the size. They're like little business card size. You could put these, just set them on your desk in a little business card holder, literally, or you know, where you do your rituals and such, and just be able to pull it out. That's cool. And let's see here, what does the booklet say about this? It's $8, and it includes 20 cards and explains the different crystals and meanings and uses. So, oh, these are to keep under each specific crystal on your altar or somewhere easy access when needed. Okay, I get it. Okay. This next thing, I think we have a cloth. I wonder if it's for grid. Oh, look at a cute little bow. I love tie-dye. I do. Oh, can you tell? I like tie-dye. And this is adorbs. with the little bow. Oh, wow. And it's not too, this is nice size. This is a nice size cloth. And look at the colors. Just, it's magical. It's beautiful. I really like this. This is nicely done. Nice, nice, nice. And the bow is just a cute little touch, an added touch that makes you go, Let's see here. Now, this cloth is a cosmic ritual cloth. It sells for $12. You can get it on Etsy at Luna Invicta. Oh, the cards are also from Etsy. And you get it with Rocks with Sass is the, Etsy shop. Now, these cloths are hand dyed, so each one has its own unique appearance. They are created using an ice dye technique. Ice is placed on top of the fabric, and then powdered dye is sprinkled on top. The result is a beautiful watercolor effect with blending and swirls of color. This is a cloth to display your crystals, your tarot spreads, or place it on your altar. Yeah, that's a neat technique, and it's gorgeous. Oh, this box is $39.99 a monthly subscription. And so far right now we've spent $8. There's 12. And yeah. We'll see what we got, if this is going to be worth it. Okay, now I'm guessing in here is a crystal. Am I right? Could this be a crystal? The way it's nicely packed. Oh, okay. I think I know what this is. I think this is the fluorite tower. I have to reach. Get a nice close-up of me. Now, this is my little knife because it is taped up, sealed up, and I shouldn't pull it towards me. I should go away from me, right? That's what I always tell my kids, you know. Okay, this is really a tiny tower, but it is a fluorite tower. You can't really tell here, but the colors in here are exquisite. Oh, this is a beautiful stone. It feels nice and cool to the touch, which is a good thing. This is $10. Fluorite combines peace, positivity, and heart-opening vibrations into one powerfully effective energy tool. It can cleanse your heart and your head of negative energy or limiting beliefs so you can live your life to the fullest without holding back. Let your dreams run wild with this. This is gorgeous. Oh, that's nice. And what did I say it was? $10. Okay. Now, what else is in here? What is it? Okay, this is an Intuition pocket-sized crystal medicine bag. Let's see here. Amethyst. Blue lace. I got what's in here though. It just talks about, you use this to cleanse your stones. Okay. This is $15. This leather pouch was made with love in a spiritual home. It's created very small and light so you can tuck it anywhere and is the ideal size to put under the pillow or in your pocket. Each pouch has a clear quartz crystal in front. Oh yeah, I see the crystal in front. There is a crystal in front, if you could see. And it's a clear quartz crystal, okay, to amplify the healing powers of gemstones inside. It includes a collection of 6 high-quality mini gemstones. Let me see. They got to be mini. See if I can pull this off. Okay, I'm going to have to cut this. Once again, you did another close-up. All right, I want to open a little pouch. This has got to, I don't want to lose these crystals because they got to be tiny. Ton. Let's see here. Maybe you're not supposed to take them out, but I'm curious. I want to make sure I'm getting oh yeah, the little tiny crystal is poking out. That's about, I'm not going to take them all out, okay? Because I don't want to make a mess, but that's cute. Uber cute. That's nice. Yeah, you can carry this around. That's nice. Nice. This is nice. Now, the bag is $15. Yeah, I can see that. It's just so tiny, but yeah. Okay, what else do I got in here? We have a crystal grid board. I think I have one already. I have lots of little boards I got for different things. Maybe I don't have this one, but it is nice. It is nicely made. Now, this is $12. Now, a crystal grid is a special arrangement of healing stones used with intention to manifest a desired result. It's very powerful because it combines the energy of the stone with sacred geometry, the language of the universe. The crystal energy is enhanced because your intention is being amplified through the stones and then sent out in the universe. This is really cool, and it's from Yantra Woodcraft. Yeah, the fluorite tower doesn't tell me where it was from, and the bag is from... I'm back. My son just wanted to interrupt me. Make fun of me that I'm not using my really nice Blue Yeti mic for this video. All right. And last but not least, this is a crystal hanging ornament. It's $15. Looks like it's got the chakra stones. I'm looking forward to this because I like to hang these things. I don't know if you can tell, I've been hanging different stuff I've been getting. Oh, wow. This is so cool. I can't believe they only sell this for $15. This is really cool. I love the crystals down below for all the chakra stones, and this is really nice. There's nothing more in here. I think this has just been really cute. It's got essential tools that you need to use so you can use them, and talks about crystal meditation techniques in here. Now this, all right, I'm back. I just love my kids, and you know, my son is actually up before my daughter, getting ready to start his homeschooling, and just enjoying this time with him. Anyway, let's get back to the crystals. Now, each chakra stone from root to crown is associated with a certain group of emotions or feelings and behaviors. Now, let's see here. Okay, the red chakra stone is red jasper. The sacral chakra is carnelian. The solar plexus chakra is tiger's eye. The heart chakra is aventurine. The throat chakra, lapis lazuli. The third eye chakra, amethyst. And the crown chakra is a clear quartz, which you see here. These are just really gorgeous. And they're very cool to the touch. You're supposed to hang this. You can hang this. They're saying you can hang this in a sacred space. You can hang this in your car, wherever. It's just, this is a beautiful ornamentation of it. And I look forward to having this hang up. All right. So that is this box. It was $39.99. I'm going to say it was worth it. I really like the tools and the items I got. You got the altar, you got the cloth, which you can use for altar, tarot cards to help tell you what the stones are, how to use them, what they're good for. You got the crystal chakra, you got a fluorite tower, you got a crystal grid, and a little personal bag with healing stones. And this is just really adorable. This is so cute. So I will have my referral link down below if you wish to subscribe to Spiritual Goodies. Rose is really, she's great. She's the one who, she packs these boxes, she ships them out. She's great with her customer service, and if you reach out to her, she gets back to you and is just such a delight. So I do want to encourage people to, you know, I don't get anything out of this. I'm not sponsored, I'm not affiliated. I really appreciate Rose, and she's just a light in this world, and I'm so glad that she has these wonderful boxes she puts together. All right, everybody. So down below, I do also have my Amazon affiliate links. That includes a lot of tarot cards, decks that I use. You can see. And I'm going to be putting ritual tools also down there for people, so you can see what there is and what you can get and where you can find things. And I also have a Patreon, which I want to get going. And you could please subscribe down to the Patreon below. You'll get extra information and rituals and lessons and free readings, all that down below. I'm also starting a new series. I'm going to be recording a video right now for it, and it's for tarot, and I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited to see how it goes, because it's something that I have a lot of fun with, and I think I've seen others do it, and I'm like, well, I'd like to try that too. So you'll look out for my new series, and I'll see you next time here on Lunar Blessings. I love you guys. Bye.